Hello and welcome to RCSJ Cumberland Library's catalog tutorial. Starting from the library's homepage, click on the catalog link, which you can find in the middle of the page under Research. This is the catalog's main user interface. The search box is located towards the top of the page, and just below that you'll see a gallery of our newest items. If you'd like to search the catalog, begin here. Our library is the default location, but that can be changed very easily. Users can choose to search any one library or the entire consortium. Next to that is the search field box. The default here is all fields, which means that the catalog will search every possible field, including title, author, and keyword for any word or phrase entered. This setting can be adjusted to search only one field. For example, let's search all fields for the book Digital Dead End by Virginia Eubanks. Here we have the record for Digital Dead End. This is the item record, and it will tell you everything you need to know in order to check out this book. The call number indicates where you find the book on the shelf, and the status field will tell you whether or not the book is checked out. Let's go back and try another search. If we search Toni Morrison in all fields, we get 60 results. This search returned books about Toni Morrison as well as books by Toni Morrison. If you're interested in only books written by Toni Morrison, change the search field to author. And this search has returned only 13 results, all of which are books by Toni Morrison. Now let's try a subject search and take a look at some of the filters we can use to narrow our search results. We'll search psychology as a subject. Our search has returned over 800 results, but the filters on the left side of the page will help us narrow that down. There are several filters available. For example, we can choose a specific author, format, or a range of publication dates. And there are several more filters in addition to that. Let's scroll down and take a look at our subject options. We're going to click more so we can see all of them. There are a lot of subject options here. Let's choose child psychology and click include, because we can also choose to exclude things that we don't want to see in our search results. But since we want resources about child psychology, we're going to use include. Now let's further filter our results down by choosing a publication date range. We'll narrow our results to anything published after 2014. And you can do this using the slider here, or you can just enter the dates. And then again, we're going to use include. And here we have 5 resources all about child psychology published after 2014. Up here at the top of the filter sidebar, we can actually see what filters we have applied, and that's how, if needed, we can remove them. Now let's take a look at the advanced search function. The link is over here to the right of the search bar. The advanced search interface allows users to set certain parameters before they conduct a search. In addition to the drop-down basic search options, you can also select a format, language, or location. You can also choose to exclude items with certain keywords. And this concludes RCSJ Cumberland Library's catalog tutorial. Thanks for watching.